Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna have a challenge to see how quick I can make the commando. So he can become cool. And by quick I mean his attack. We're probably gonna be hanging around on this first stage for a while, just to figure it out. So he's already pretty quick at attacking, as you can really see. But can we make him quicker? Of course we can. Soldiers around. Just need them to drop white things that look like that. And I'll be getting soldier syringes. I think I'll get the missile thing. I like this. And also, even though it's a chance item, missile, basically, once I speed it up, chance is just a matter of speed. Because every attack, it rolls a dice, I guess? Chance dice? And the more I shoot, attack, and actually make a hit, the more that there's a chance that I'll shoot a missile. And also there's an equipment that shoots missiles too. What's this thing? Feel on use. Oh. That'll be a last of an emergency use. But before I do that challenge, I gotta get to the teleporter quick. Because I need to do something. It's called unlocking an item. One here. A loadout. Thank you. That's what it is. So, I want to do that. Because it's what I need to do. Just for Godspeed, complete the teleporter event in under 5 minutes. And it's already been 2, so I gotta get going. Okay, 4 and food is ready to use. Now case emergency. Hopefully I won't have to use it, but honestly I don't think that'll happen. I think I'm gonna have to use it, probably. Because I've tried a lot of times and failed with this. Okay, 4 and food, come on, save me. Got this! I got this, Judah! I got this! I can't beat this! And also I'm playing with artifacts maybe. That's why I get to choose my items. And it's only these flying things. Keeping my full crew. Okay. Time for the first soldier syringe. Then legion seeds. Oh! I think I'm about to get an achievement. From my model. Slow enemies on hit. Get another syringe. I think I'm about to do it. I'm about to unlock a loadout. And apparently, I couldn't do that before, but I was rushing before I got any items. So, woohoo! This is good! Needed to stay super soon. Oh, they're firing pretty fast. Life is good. So let's see if I can beat the game, only making him as fast firing as possible. Or obliterate, which would just take longer beating the game probably. So this will all be in one video this time. So, because there's a lot of work to make a lot of separate videos. instead of one video. And this will be a full playthrough, hopefully, if I don't die. And if I get close to dying, I have my forest food as a backup. Originally, I thought I'd make it so I try and get all the lunar items, see what my character would be like. But now, I'm gonna do that as commando. Do this as commando, I mean. Ooh, look at my fire rate. Once I reach 10, I bet this is gonna be nuts. And I hope you can hear me. Yeah, you can hear me, hopefully. Oh, there's an achievement for flying super fast. So, I feel like we're gonna get it this run. That's the first time I've gotten a few loadout items before. Not all of them, but a few. Because the skin you have to obliterate or defeat the game on Monsoon, the hardest difficulty, for every single character. So, they want to do that. Razor wire. An item just dropped. Oh yeah, uniforms are good too. There'll be hope for our next video. Challenge video, I mean. The lunar item one where I'll probably get this doesn't fail. The lunar items are not the best. I'm gonna actually start moving now. If you can hit that more rocket, good. Because it's mine. And I got it from Texas, even though I live in North Carolina. I like this. 2 shrines of combat. Battle. And I've summoned tons of enemies to fight. That's good. You'll be dropping items. That actually isn't how the game is meant to work. Just because it's an artifact. You're not actually meant to be able to pick what items to get. That's another artifact. You unlock those by doing a little challenge thingy. That was already in 2 of those. So I guess I'm going to do this in. That's what I guess. Open the barrel, because I still need the money, the drones, and other things. And I just found the teleporter. But I'm not going to leave just yet. 7 got a minute thing. I mean, like that fire rate is pretty intense. I'm really saving my screen. So, that's good. I hope. Bring it on! You guys stand no chance compared to my rapid fire rate. Thankfully, these guys drop items too, which is good. So, it's over there. Of course, it has to be where I want to be now. So I had to sacrifice life so I couldn't do this for a second. To get my thingy. 2 of them spawned. It's good. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get a lot of screen cards. So whenever I activate something, an army will spawn basically. An army of base. Why? I got 3. I spawned in a weird place for scorched safers. Usually you don't spawn here, but I did. So, yeah, screen is shaking. You might have not noticed it, but I'm sure you will once I get forward. So those things are cheap. There are artifacts. Oh, come on. At least you never die falling unless you have one of the artifacts. It makes it so fall damage doubled and lethal. Why, Piggy? I honestly don't know what they are, but they're thingies, I guess. That's what I call them. You can call them whatever you like. Floating cubes, item boxes, but I call them thingies. So, they're thingies. Oh yeah. Now I think it isn't actually a chance, I just need another pistol. This is a pretty interesting thing I'm about to tell you. If you play this game, one of the easiest ways to find a teleporter, which is the thing you have where that summons boss, but for me, the hordes of thingies. Of enemies, but they kind of glow up. They have like red dots around them. So if you search for those things and they move, it's a pretty good place to find the teleporter. I'm not taking it with them. Frankly, in this case, I can't find it. Yep. So, let's keep searching. But usually you do that. Am I blind or something? Seriously though, I have no idea how I missed that. I have 10 soldier surroundings. And speakers. There's guard soldiers. And look at my fire. That's only alive for 2 days. Maybe it's a lot more than I can even tell. Oh my god. This is amazing! Activate teleporters. Stand by and go. I'll make up for that lost time and bullets. But it's like these are meant to be, my pistols are meant to be machine guns or something. Pistol machine gun. The ultimate weapon. Oh yeah, chance to critically strike with this. I couldn't imagine a better combination. Burst of attack speed. If I attack, Oh my god, that's right, my health. Let's see how quick I can do that. Oh yeah, boy! This is amazing. Oh my god. That's all I have to say. Oh my god. And I know those who people think you shouldn't say oh my god and it's oh my god. But let's just say I don't believe in God. And of course I have remembered that shield generator. But it'll help. I now have 13 speed strategies. And I feel like this is getting nuts. Bah, 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 bah. Oh my god. Sorry if you believe in God and I have the feeling of saying I don't believe in God, but it's the truth. I don't believe in God. Oh my god! Oh my god. Because red numbers are the amount of critical strikes I'm hitting. I like where this is going. But I don't like this. What's right here? Yeah, I do not like that. Can I just face? That is something I do not like. And yeah. They're all dropping equipment, but I don't want to change my equipment. Which is my healing food. I knew I want more. Oh my god, I can mow through it. I keep doing like this. Oh, I like this. I like this. I definitely like this. I need more missile launchers. I mean the ATG missile launchers. That's the full name. They're basically computers. But instead of just firing them, you actually have to. Sometimes they fire and sometimes they don't. And they're homing. Which is all good. And you're dead. Why did I just get launched 20 feet? I barely took any damage, so that's good. Isn't it? I mean, it's always good that you don't take a ton of damage when you get launched 20 feet in the air. I didn't say it. Okay. Yeah, root systems are hard to walk on when there's tons of robots that like to beat you off and things. And I already know where the teleporter is, thanks to that pit, but I'm not going there yet, because I don't think so. I like how I just plowed through it. I should have touched it. Still, I feel like my weapons could be more machine gun than they already are, so... Yep, I like that. And I like that. And I like this. I don't know how I could become any stronger. Maybe make my pistols even more of a machine gun? Yeah, that seems like a pretty good way. But I won't let it get to my head. Hopefully. And you're dead. And you give me a machine gun item. Do you remember how slow I was at firing earlier? Now look at this. I'm just so fast it doesn't even bother me. Just shoot a ton of bullets. But seriously, look at that. I'm going for the big 20 or 30. Who knows? Kill, kill, kill. I do not like the amount of beams that are shooting everywhere. It is scary. Even though I shoot like a machine gun out of my pistols, my double pistols, my double pistols. So let's do this. Thankfully, I decreased their amount of beings alive. But there's just keep coming. Their beings just keep coming. There's so many of them. This is probably the most insane stage I've got. And if you're wondering why there's only robots for this stage, and only certain things for other stages, it's another article about that. I just say it makes the game easier because you have to end up with a very easy enemy as your only enemy, or very hard enemy. It's really just a game of change. It's like basically everything in this game. And he says, I need more critical strikes than these. And I have to have something that makes it so I heal when I get critical strikes. So another missile, because I want more missiles. Honestly, at this point, I don't know what to say. I knew when I got a green I was going to get more grid towers, but I don't think I'll do that. And I think we're about to enter the stage right before the final boss, so let's do this. Oh, it's only been 21 minutes. Yup, stage right before the final boss. And I ended up with a hard enemy. Like that thingy. I think they're called parents. Boy, do I hate them. Because they're teleporting all of the time. Oh, why can I only play this so bad? Come on, you will not kill me, parents. Or whatever you want. Could you stop attacking me for a second, buddies? Oh, we're not buddies. I'm gonna assume we're not buddies. Because they try to slam me, which clearly they're not buddies to do that. Well, at least I have my machine gun pistols. And of course I'm forgetting to get more frickin' I can't talk! Critical strike thingies. Lens maker's glasses. I still get a lot of critical strikes. Just wish they'd be dropping more comments. Dropping items more more. To be honest, there is a lot, but they're not dropping what I need. Which item? Well, if anybody didn't already know, you need items. But I need to get through this beam thingy somehow. I'm gonna wait to activate that teleporter. I know it looks special because it's the last teleporter before the final boss. But yeah, you can shoot the moving. See? I already got an achievement for shooting the cannon before I made my first video. I unlocked a lot of things before I made my first. This is the very first time. This is the only reason I made this run is to see how fast I can make my dude shoot. And look how little different items I got in. Come on, well, I guess I have one choice. After I get you on the stage. But who are you guys? Didn't you hear a thing I said? You don't teleport when I try and attack you. Look at my character. He's nuts. if I beat the game before an hour, I'll get an achievement. Well, let's find out. I can't believe I didn't get a single energy drink this time. Wait, is that an emergency? Nope, and it is an equipment. Oh god. And of course the fire lasers. That just makes it even more bad. Even better for me. People probably be dropping their items when they're elites. And elites in this game are just people who are elements. Now I probably do way too much talking. I'm out of here. Going to feel bad when I talk anyway. But I'll live through it so I can make a video. And another missile machine. Not firing a lot of missiles. And I still don't have those critical glasses. The glasses that give you more critical strikes. Oh, now I do. And I think we'll be seeing a lot of critical strikes. At least this is pretty fun. Apart from this bit, where it goes wrong. What's the fun that it's on? Well, you're not gonna get me off my platform. And I got me on my parkour platform. Well guys, I'm gonna have to beat the game for real this time. Unlike the last time where I died at like the last second, literally. Oh my god! That is a big one. Moon of Petrivore V. Drive will be very slow. Hey, there's little gravity. At least I think there's less gravity. Oh look, it thinks there's only like 3 syringes for the soldier thing. Oh, and I added a ton because I have a ton. Nope, it only has a few. Yeah, I only have a few of them. At least that got jabbed into me. I have at least 4 jabbed into me that show. But I actually have 19 jabbed into me. I have a gunner drone from the beginning of this run and a healing drone from like the stage right before Sky Meadows. And I'm pretty sure Sky Meadows always happens before this. I know this is taking a while, but don't leave your screen. This is very important bit. So apparently only 2 of my things are able to follow me, because the rest are built-in turrets. This should be good, even though I don't know what that is. Oh. Well, I can destroy you easily, as long as I dodge that. Whee! Only 28 minutes. This is good. I think the final boss is up there. Yeah, it was up there. You know, and I fired so quick. I just released so many bullets. I think we have to release that by defeating the final boss. Then we have to defend the ship. And I died at like the last second of doing that. As the bandit, my favorite class. Can they roll up the shield too? I don't think so. They should be able to dodge all of these. So just stay moving. And there's the point is. I'm just making it harder for myself in the future, to be honest. That's when I didn't play with any artifacts, Well, item drops for random. And this one I am going to do about that. Four of them to do with that. I wonder what that loadout item I am on. And this one will do for me. Yeah. Quick one. Whatever it is. I know what it'll do. Oh, I know, there's so many of those 2 blocks. Whee! I think they will do this. There's 4 pennies out there. And I don't need, I haven't even left the block. Something you go in there and get in there. It'll hurt me a lot. Just give it, soldiers around so I can get 20. You already regret it. Regret doing that. But it's forget. Another one of these. At least these things are dropping in front of items. By that I mean only one is dropped tonight. Hey, that's better than none though. Since they're all dropping in a place I can't reach them. So many potential critical strikes. Glasses. Glasses. And whistle. I just fired a tongue for it with the double tap. So I guess it's effective for that too. Do not hop in that radius. Try to do it as far away as possible. More critical strikes. I just need these so I finish something up really quick. When I do engage in combat. The more of these I have, the more chance I have of getting a critical strike, which is good. Now I have to charge all 4 of the pillars, which basically just means more travel. Hopefully I unlock something if I beat the game before an hour passes. So I think that means this video is basically 32 minutes long. Maybe like 33. Who knows? Yep, 33. I'm sure things are getting killed, but it's a dumb idea. Didn't hurt me. So I guess it's just a prop. And then collide with the blue beams. I think the rest of the blue beams are over there. So let me journey begin. Thankfully, the more I cross the gaps, the less of these things are to deal with. So over here, should be able to get the rest of the things I need. Over there, I think I have Okay. I don't like you shooting me, buddy. Did you not do that? I need to protect you. How am I meant to do that when you launched me 20 feet? Is it like a self-defense mechanism? It doesn't appear to be constant. Those things are not. It isn't a self-defense mechanism. Is it meant to be a self-defense mechanism against you? Probably is. Hopefully it's disabled. And I was able to get more missiles, which is always good. And I think I'll get a third shield. Okay. Now over there I go. Running on a chain. Running on a chain. Running on a chain. Wait, you know you want to do something specific? Even though I'm not going to be able to choose? Well, we'll see. Take my 5 items. Oh no, it's a choice. And I like what I chose. Now all of my attacks explode. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I like this. It was worth giving up those 5 items for a legendary item that makes it so all of my machine gun pistol attacks explode. It's like if you loaded a machine gun pistol with tons of gunpowder. I mean, whatever it is that explodes. Oh! Why did I expect that not to happen? So I guess if I'm in the air. Okay, one more pillar. So I like how I got all your attacks explode, baby. But I don't like what those things blue fire does. Now we have trouble with these pillars of souls. I mean design that shoots you out like this. Just jump when you see a small wave coming. Oh, something's down. Now I gotta find something that'll take me up there. I assume it's the other blue beam. Still can't believe what I can do with this new found power. Of explosions. Yeah, how much to a face? Yeah, I drew a smiley face. But you probably couldn't see it because it didn't stay. Here. I smiling. Using that thing. Oh, come on. So apparently it's over there. And I'm just barely time. Oh, usually I'm not slow. Because I usually get like 10 jillion energy drinks. You know, I said if I was right here and I used the energy drinks, I could reach there in about a second. So basically it makes me flash. Right now, the only thing that's like the flash is the amount of bullets I shoot. Because you just can't see them. Or you can't see them. But they shoot for very long. I mean, it doesn't even load all of them. You can only see a few. But actually, there's a lot more. Look at that. I am glad I got that on there. That makes it so all. It means all of my attacks. And I'm about to fight the final boss. Let's hope I don't die. Don't answer that yet. I can't hear it. Oh, I hope that's what I should usually do. So let's do this. Midfritz, the king of nothing. Seriously, his description is the king of nothing. Come on, give me your best shot. You won't last me a minute. Oh, why is there two? Why is there two? No, I don't think I'll bet that you, so-called king. You can't stop me. I have too much firepower. Parry this and slap it. Okay, they are getting good. No, because I'm too slow. I'm literally too slow. If I deal with one, the other comes and kills me. Eventually, I have my crew for backup. One of them's dead. For some reason, there are two of them, but it was annoying. Die. You should be dead now. What's happening? Lunar Cinema? For the many? That's when I thought my day was over. Apparently my day was got harder. Fixing me lower than my foot did. I'm pretty sure there's multiple ways. Retreat! Strategy! Retreat! I repeat! Retreat! I did not want to retreat, but I have to retreat. Thankfully all my attacks explode, which should do some extra damage. I killed you in the purple strikes and exploded. Why is he back? Thought I killed you earlier. How are you back? Thought I killed you. I used my thing and it didn't help. I died! But first we get to slide on the ground. Oh. This is just the test. It's not a new game. Ah! Do I hurt things when I slide? No, they hurt me. Wait, I can also shoot while I slide? Oh yeah. I'm just saying different random things I can do. Okay, that's all. Bye.